Productions once again. Thank you guys so much for always being there for us all the time, supporting and doing everything to support the Gusto brand. We truly love all of you, including the queen herself, Tiwa Savage. Thank you for the shout out of Gusto TV. We are savage.
We are savages today.
Anyways, moving on from Tiwa Savage. Lala, you're welcome to the building. Welcome to the show. Even though me and you.
No greet me, one fight. One fight today.
Okay, guys. So Lala and I had a discussion a while ago.
Yeah.
Yes. So Zanku, Zlatan, Naira Marley, the Zanku movement as a thing is still the in thing on the street at the moment.
Yep.
Now in 2018, yes, 2018, December 26th to be precise, 2018, Burna Boy dropped a particular song called Killing Them. Now that song featured the king of the street, Zlatan Ibile, Kapai Chumari Chupako. Now, ever since then, the song has really gone beyond borders. Burna, Zlatan doing a whole lot with that particular record. It has become, gone on to become a really amazing record. Mm-hmm. Now, Lala here thinks that Zlatan actually gifted Burna Boy the song, which I do not agree to. So, Lala, once again, before I disgrace you here, Killing Them, Burna Boy and Zlatan, who benefited more from that record?
No, okay. Just to clarify, okay, now we're talking about who benefited more. It's obvious Burna Boy benefited more. That means Zlatan on the other hand,
helped Burna Boy.
Yeah, of course he helped him.
Burna Boy on the song.
Yes, he helped him.
How?
From the beginning of the song.
Brother,
make them play the song for us.
Brother, wait now.
May you hear him.
Siri, play us just a bit, just small from that record. Siri, we are waiting, oh. Siri, we are waiting.
Siri, show gbon.
Because.
Yeah.
What?
Abula. Zlatan. When you hear Zlatan, you already hyped up that. Wait, 2018. Zlatan was already the hottest thing.
Hottest what?
He was the most featured artist in 2018.
Where?
In Nigeria.
Where?
What do you mean where?
On which song?
Every
song, bro.
Wait. Every big act.
On which song?
Every big act wanted Zlatan on the song.
What song? Bro, I'm saying that Burna Boy came up with Killing Them. He saw the vision. He called Zlatan and said, Baba, I want to help your career.
No, I lie.
Bro, Burna Boy,
that's wrong.
See now, Killing Them was the first major song that Zlatan recorded that blew. Zanku,
wait. So do you think if Zlatan was not popping, Burna Boy would want to work with him?
Bro, let me tell you something.
Burna Boy now.
Let me tell you something. Burna Boy can actually try to help Zlatan as an emerging at that time.
Emerging?
Yes, it was emerging.
I told you someone was the most featured artist in 2018.
Bro, how? On average songs.
Which average songs?
Bro,
oh my days.
Zlatan was featured on average songs. But Zlatan's first ever big record was Killing Them, and that was Burna Boy featuring him to help his career.
To help whose career?
Zlatan's career.
Okay, after Killing Them,
yes.
how did they help his career? Please
Bro, after Killing Them, that song propelled
excuse my friend, he didn't propel shit. How? What did he propel?
How?
What?
Bro, let me tell you something.
If anything, Zlatan, Burna Boy was the one who benefited the most. Wait. Because people know. If you ask people on the street who was the song, most of them will mention Zlatan because one is Zlatan's vibe. Design.
So it went with
the dance that they are dancing there.
What?
Who propelled the dance? Who?
Ramanjago propelled Zanku down, not Zlatan.
Which one, Ramanjago? Okay. Ramanjago sang about Zanku. He sang about Zanku.
Go and ask anybody. Zlatan.
So Ramanjago na him get Zanku records because
go to.
What's the meaning of Zanku?
Bro,
what's the meaning of Zanku?
Zlatan abeg no kill us.
Exactly.
But the truth is,
how
the
can
dance.
No.
Bro, go to wait now. Lala, go to the page of Ramanjago. You will see Zanku Legwork originator. What are you saying?
Zanku Legwork.
Yes.
No. Don't get it twisted.
Go to the page and check.
Don't get it twisted.
Ask Pokoli, ask Zlatan, ask anybody. Ramanjago propelled Zanku.
No, he did it.
He did.
With what?
He created the dance.
I did, bro. No, that's not the discussion. The discussion is I'm telling you that Zlatan propelled Zanku as a dance.
How?
As a brand.
How? As a brand.
Yes, now.
As a brand.
If you ask a layman now,
yes.
who started Zanku, the G people mentioned Ramanjago.
Bro, but we know facts. Fact is different from what
that's not what we are arguing. The person who benefited the most from killing them
is Zlatan Ibile.
No, he did. The song didn't actually do anything for him.
How?
Because wait. He did things.
The song didn't do anything for Zlatan.
He did
nothing.
He did more.
Nothing.
He did more for Burna.
No, nothing.
You know what? No, wait. He did more for Burna. I'm going to tell you why.
Okay.
Because outside the country,
yes,
Burna will perform at shows.
Yes.
You have what? Zanku circles.
Okay.
People doing the song.
Okay.
That's he had money to do.
So was that the only song where he was going to perform?
I'm telling you, that's like.
Was that the only song?
See, if you see videos of Burna performing outside of the country, the only thing that stands out that people talk about.
Secret. Yeah, performed a couple of other songs on the African Giant album.
When you go, when you see on Twitter and things that trending like Zanku Circle,
yes,
it's as a result of his collaboration with Zlatan.
Yes, but the truth is, people got to know Zlatan, yeah, from the massive. Even Tiwa Savage. What are you saying now?
No,
what are you saying now?
That's false. That's false.
How?
Zlatan was copying 2018. He was featured artist now.
It
was everywhere.
On which song?
It was everywhere.
On average songs, bro.
Which average songs? Which average songs?
If not for Burna Boy, bro.
Okay.
If Zlatan had done killing them with, let's say a Zinoliski.
He can't.
No disrespect.
You know why he can't?
Why?
Because the owner of the vibe is Zlatan.
How? Bro, let me tell you something. Burna Boy is that big brand. Zlatan did attache to him on that song. Okay, let me tell you something.
Go on.
Beku dance.
Yeah.
Beku, Beku and everything. He featured Burna Boy on that Beku dance. Yeah, on that Beku song. The song blew.
It doesn't have to blow. They've done one together that you can't be lucky 2 times now.
Bro,
it doesn't have to be the same level as killing them.
Zlatan brought Beku. Say Burna Boy come and do for me.
If anything, Zlatan should be angry with Burna Boy because Zlatan brought his A game to killing them and killed everywhere.
Okay.
And what did Burna do on Beku?
He did well on Beku, but what did he do? The song itself is not good enough.
But look at Zlatan on killing them.
What did he do?
When was the last time you heard a rap?
He was happy to be on that song. That was how he brought his A game.
No. When was the last time you heard a rap? So like you can even sing along.
Let me tell you something. Let me ask you, guys. I'm going to ask Lala something. Yeah. Lala. After killing them, what other big record has Zlatan been able to influence in his career?
To influence?
Yes, in his career after killing them.
What do you mean after killing them?
So wait. Gave him the platform.
Wait. So you are
gave him the platform.
Now,
what are you saying?
You agree now that was Zlatan influenced?
No.
Wait.
What I'm saying. What other record has Zlatan been on? That blew like that?
What do you think makes killing them blue?
What? Tell me.
It's Zlatan's now.
How?
He was the hottest artist at that moment. Everybody was looking to wait. Let me.
Why did you keep Burna Boy?
Sheyi, may I just explain and give me? You know the way street pop comes and goes, and then when it's popping, every main street act want to they want to do something similar.
Yes.
You know the way Slim Case and this guy Mr. View came out, and everyone wanted to now feature and do that.
Yes.
That's exactly the same thing happened.
Brother.
But because Zlatan was so unique, his influence was so big.
Unique in what sense?
He was able to.
Unique in what sense?
He was able to make that sort of crossover.
Bro.
Till today.
Lala. Let me ask you a question. You're saying made a song crossover, and he has not crossed over himself.
It does.
How do you make a song crossover and you walk for you yourself?
So
you have not crossed over.
That's the point I'm trying to make.
What point are you making, bro? You're making no point.
That's what I'm saying to you. That you said Burna Boy actually helps Zlatan by bringing him on the song.
Bro.
But there was no help.
Bro.
Wait.
Let me tell you something. Let me ask you a question. If for example, no disrespect, trust me, to a Fuji artist, maybe a Pasuma or something. Let's say Wizkid wants to do a massive Fuji record. Yeah? You know, think, okay, who am I going to put on this song and everything? Oh, let me put Pasuma on this song. No disrespect to Bawasi. No disrespect at all. He puts Bawasi on that Fuji record. Yeah? That song blows, like blow really well. And everybody is listening. Even Rihanna is, Snapchatting to it and everything. Are you going to say that Bawasi helped Wizkid?
If Wizkid had not gotten that level of international fame before, I would say that.
Brother.
So
Burna had not gotten at that time.
What has he got? Burna as at 2018 has just signed the deal.
Burna Live in 2018 was one of the most attended shows in December. Yes.
Thanks to what? Thanks to what? Thanks to influencers now.
No.
One of the most attended shows. Thanks to influencers. We know how the campaign went on Twitter. We know.
Burna Live in 2018 was one of the most attended shows.
That was his first headline show.
Yes, in Nigeria.
But we know the work of influencers. I noticed it.
But that was
and I'm sure people are there.
Burna was big at that time. So Burna as a global star. Cause that my boy, let me help you.
Burna was not a
not
a global star yet.
He was a global star that helped Zlatan, who was a
wait. Let me tell you something.
So before you go. Zlatan was a struggling artist at that time.
That's a lie.
He was.
I told you he was popping. He was the most featured artist. You didn't say that beans.
Since morning, this guy has been saying.
You didn't say that beans today. Everybody wanted to feature Zlatan. Everybody.
Lala has been saying most featured. What song did he feature on? What songs? Olamide, with my body and everything.
No, that was not even one of the songs that was popping then.
So what? Like, bro,
Zlatan was everywhere.
This guy was struggling.
Who?
Zlatan Ibile compared to Manny Chicago was struggling in 2018 when Burna Boy decided to help his career from the valley.
He didn't help
from
shit.
The valley of
Burna Boy did not help shit for Zlatan.
From the valley of struggle, he picked him up and set him on a hill.
Which hill?
Of killing them.
Okay, now
of killing them.
Okay.
Hill of killing them.
Okay, after killing them, what next for Zlatan? How did he help him?
Okay, so after killing them,
did Zlatan get known internationally?
After killing them, he didn't help him. Yeah, fine. But after killing them, did Burna Boy not move ahead?
Thanks to Zlatan's influence.
What are you saying now? What are you saying?
Wait, cool down.
No.
Let me ask you one question. Let me ask you a question.
Wait. After killing them, Burna Boy moved ahead from Zanku. Yeah?
Because it's not that exactly what I'm telling you. It's not his style.
Has Zlatan been able to get a record as big as killing them?
It can't be now.
He cannot be because he's a struggling artist.
He's not a struggling artist.
Because
right now, Zlatan still gets what's they call him?
What was it?
He gets Aki and Popo. That's a history jam.
That's trash.
That's a history.
It's trash.
That's not trash.
It is trash, bro.
That's a history jam.
It's trash, bro.
And have you heard his latest issue?
Shoma.
Shoma is not a nice song.
Road to CDK is not bad. Shoma is a nice song.
I can tell you that. Suffer with Obez.
Zlatan actually.
Suffer with Obez.
Brother, we're talking international here. We're talking local.
Sheyi,
local level.
Me and you know.
Local level.
Sheyi, me and you know that the difference between these guys is just who is handling what.
Bro.
Burna Boy has international hands handling.
You're telling me that in terms of talent and everything, international appeal is the only thing separating Burna Boy and Zlatan.
Exactly.
Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding? There's a reason why. There's a reason.
Lala, are you kidding?
Yes, now. International
appeal is the only thing that separates.
If we sit down today and check where
Burna Boy, that's party 2012.
Come
on now, bro. That's a disrespect to Burna Boy.
2012 to 2020.
That's disrespect to Burna Boy.
2012 to 2020.
This guy's been killing it. And you brought someone who was struggling in 2018.
How was he struggling?
Just 2 years ago.
No,
come on now.
Now you go kidnap next.
No. You're comparing someone.
Now you go beat up next. So you guys be careful.
Struggling artist of 2018.
He was not struggling.
Who has been popping and collaborating with Burna Boy and Davido. Burna Boy is other IP in 2013 or something. He had a video on it.
So
at that time, Zlatan, according to the story, was still doing bricklayer. What are you saying?
In when 20?
What, like back in school 2013?
Say they mess up.
Bro, I tell you something.
They mess up.
Zlatan at the 2015.
And the vex say
when Burna Boy had Tonight. When he had Yawadeo, Zlatan no even think say he go do music.
But Sheyi, let's be objective.
Yes.
You agree that killing them is not Zlatan's vibe. It's not Burna's vibe.
Killing them is not Burna's vibe. That's why he moved on.
No.
That's why he moved on.
Exactly now.
That's why he moved on.
You know what they call people.
That's why he moved on. He decided to use killing them to help Zlatan's career.
No.
Zlatan is where he is today because of killing them.
But he's borrowing someone's vibe.
Not that.
You took someone else's dance.
Not that.
You go to your shows. You don't dance your own dance. You dance Zanku.
Killing them.
You dance Zanku.
Zlatan is where he is today because of killing them.
You do Zanku's vibe.
Not where he is today because of killing them.
Even when you're not singing killing them, you are doing Zanku.
You agree with me? You agree with me? Zlatan is where he is today because of killing them. Burna Boy is not where he is today.
Killing them did not do anything for Zlatan.
Burna Boy moved on from killing them.
Killing them did more for Burna.
Massive record. No.
Killing them did more for Burna.
No, he did not. Why did he stick with killing them?
Why
did he not stick with Zlatan? Why did Burna Boy not stick?
It's not his vibe. It's not his style now.
He could have stuck with it and
it's not his style. Till today, we get songs like Killing Them from Zlatan because we know that's his main style.
Bro,
that's his vibe.
That's a struggling vibe.
It's not a struggling vibe because he viewed Killing Them was undoubtedly the most
Due to Burna Boy helping Zlatan's career, yes.
It didn't help any. It didn't help anything.
Leave that thing.
We're not going to settle this thing, so maybe we'll just leave it.
I'm not going to agree with you guys.
But if you know that Zlatan is the one that made killing them, please let me see your comments.
Burna Boy made killing them by bringing
Zlatan made it and made it pop. Let me see your.
You know what the Bible says?
Let me see your comments.
He lifted me up from the valley of struggle.
That was
how Burna Boy lifted Zlatan. Said, my struggling boy.
If anything,
let me help your career.
If anything, killing them made Nigerians even like Burna Boy. Because Nigerians don't like Burna Boy. It's the truth.
I mean,
it's the truth. They don't like it.
A global legend. Guys,
he's not a legend.
You know that Burna Boy actually helped Zlatan's career on killing them, helped him. Burna actually was the one that helped Zlatan's career. Zlatan benefited more from killing them. Let us know in the comments. And of course, we'll respond to all of you. Lala,
I'll be there in the comments.
We have a part 2 of this.
I'll be there in the comments.
We have a part 2 of this. And of course, you will know exactly what the people will say on this one. We'll see you on the next Gusto reaction. Sheifumi here. Lala has been here. Of course, we're not even shaking at all. I don't want to shake.
You said no to shaking.
Exactly. Guys, we'll see you on the next one.
Zanku for life.